How to transfer Temu credits to another account. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to find out how this thing can be possible. For that, first of all, you need to launch Temu and then tap on this U tab in the bottom. After that, you need to tap on the credit balance option, and once you tap on the credit balance option, you will be able to see your current balance. Now once you have the credit balance option, you will not be able to see any of the options that would allow you to transfer your Temu credit balance to another account. It is because as of right now it is possible to transfer your Temu credits. You can only use them in order to make purchases on the Temu's platform. If you want to do that, then you simply need to add the products in your cart and press the checkout button in the bottom. On the checkout page, among the payment methods, you will see the Temu credits as one of the payment methods. So you just have to select the Temu credit and then you just have to tap on the pay button in the bottom right hand corner, and this way you will be able to use your Temu credits in order to make purchases on Temu. But still, if you want to seek help in order to transfer your Temu credits to another account, then you can try once to talk with the Temu customer support team. For that, simply tap on this headphone icon in the top, and then you just have to tap on the contact us button. Now you need to type the message that you want to transfer your Temu credits to another account, and the Temu customer service or the Temu customer support executive is going to help you in this regard. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.